The eighth tip for evolving corporations in 2024. Ask what is trying to happen. In the last video, I talked about the feminine nature of life, which then applies to business. Earthquake hits, volcano erupts, storm comes through, fire happens in the area, bringing smoke into your entire business. Disease strikes. 2020, COVID. We created all these great plans of what we were going to accomplish in 2024. Man plans, God laughs. We had to change those plans. Your machine breaks down on your packing line, but you're on a sharp production deadline. You find out a week before your big presentation that you're not able to use the stage that you plan to. Not enough people show up at your event, and you're wondering how you are going to pull it off with success. Life is constantly changing. So the more we can tune into what is trying to happen, then we can also better prepare for what is really happening. And then live the journey with all its twists and turns, because life is actually meant more for how we live it in the process than necessarily that end goal. So examples. I have a friend who, for her coaching business, tells her clients to just message her in the morning on the days that they feel like they want her support and want coaching. From there, she will then tune in to say, well, how am I feeling today? Am I feeling up for giving, right? Did I wake up with a huge headache and that's not present, or I need to be taking care of this washing machine that broke down in my home so that I can have clean clothes to wear? So we're preparing for the changes of life. And then she's also tuning into what time of day is it going to be right to meet with this person. Now, this may sound risky, but she trusts that she is going to have enough clients. Here's another example. When I was planning for 2020 and I was tuning into how I want to host my events, something in me said, by the time March starts, do not plan any in-person events, only virtual. Beginning of March, what happened? We went into lockdown. I would have had to make a lot of adjustments if I had in-person events planned for 2020 in March or later. But I had a very smooth transition. I already had an online platform. The pandemic was much easier for me than other people. Now, maybe that was just some lucky guess, or maybe I was really intuitive and tuning in. But what we can do is work on our meditative, intuitive skills to also tune in more easily to what is trying to happen.